White silver, bronze gold. I might need a little bit more.
Why? Also, where's the other end of this?
Can I get that? Yeah, actually, I don't.
This is just the one with the best one.
Yeah. Oh wow. How?
Oh, cool.
Makes it easier. You want to check us to make sure we're doing this right?
So what happened to the solder? You got some solder on there?
Not at all. Yeah.
You should, because it kind of frays, but if it's pretty solid, I mean, see those little things.
Tips
Yeah, just
before putting it in there.
Yeah, solder the tip prior to doing anything.
So like the ends
So-
over here. That's
Gotcha.
what we're soldering. Like this.
Gotcha.
Yeah, spin it up. But not too much, just enough.
Yeah. So it's so flexible.
Yeah.
It's just so it doesn't untwist and make contact with each other.
Yeah, like if it starts coming apart, it can cause a short circuit if you whack it around and things, so it's nice to...
How do you use this?
So this thing, that's the hot part, it sucks on it's kind of got a little sucker. But you gotta keep it tinned and keep some solder on it, but okay, so the way you do it, it's a little thin here, but yeah. So you touch it against it, and when you get the metal hot, then you get the solder in there. Solder's too thin, but that's kind of how it goes. It ends up.
Oh, is that sucker for
Yeah,
the
you really
fuse?
it sucks the
Oh, it's so
fuse in.
nice.
Gotcha.
But you wanna... You make the contact by once it burns a little bit on it, like it gets hot, you can just melt the wire in there. That's soldering one on, you can kind of like go back and forth on it to thin it out. That's kind of chunky over there, so just spread it out.
Gotcha.
Okay, that one's got to be twisted together, or just like pinch it together. Now it's going to probably be too short to wind around, so you gotta...
Where?
Definitely got to be wearing glasses for that too, because you can get a spit in your eye if you fling it from the wire. Yeah, like if you just kind of spread it, that's enough to kind of hold it together on both sides. Yeah, so then now bend it. See if you can bend it with a... So that you want to turn off. So when it's not going, let's see, that's soldering iron turned off, smoke absorber.
Oh, do you want me to?
Keep it on.
Sorry.
Smoke absorber is on, off. SMD rework, that's the thing, this thing or something. I don't know what this does. This thing,
It blows
this thing
out.
blows hot air, and that's used, it's so hot that it can melt the solder. So you rework it, you take things off with that. Soldering iron, yeah. Temperature, yeah, don't set it so high, just go to the middle. More like 320.
But you keep that off while,
So here, you turn it on, I mean, max it out. That's for silver solder if it's higher melting.
yeah.
I think we have like lead solder. You probably want, I don't know what the lead thing is. What is this?
Lead-free.
Lead-free solder. It's tin and copper. So yeah, this is actually higher temperature melting. So we might need a little bit more, like 400 or something. But don't max it out unless you have to keep the bit life longer, because that bit you have to replace after some time. Yeah. So that's that.